Okay, Oliver Travel Center, travel trailer company is behind me. I'm going to give you a short tour of the trailer. I've been getting some stuff installed all day. I'll show it to you. It's pretty cool. I really like it. All right, there it is. I'm totally self-contained right now. I'm not hooked up to water or shore power. I have been. This is what I've been working on. A storage box for hoses and such. That was, I didn't even know they had those. So that was an impulse buy, but I think well worth it. All right, I just put the awning out for the first time. It has awnings on both sides. This is the Oliver campgrounds, by the way. It's for people coming in for service and buying trailers and stuff. But there's the outside. I'm not gonna go through every feature. I just want to show you guys the trailer. There's the all the hookups happen back here, and over here. That's a battery door and dump valves and stuff in that other door. All right, let's go to the. Oh yeah, of course I have the Oliver chair, of course. There's all the trailers. They make the steps, the frame, everything in-house. Voila. There's your, it does have a screen door. I haven't really messed with it. So, welcome to my humble abode. It's very spacious. Here's the dinette. You can sit either way. Comfortable for two people. I even have a trash can now. Windows outside. Reading lights on either side. Cabin lights. These can all be controlled separately. And over here is my kitchen. There's the little refrigerator. Voila. All kinds of nutritious things. Convection microwave. Sink. Oven. And the drawers are really cool. They're soft close. Boom. And then when you travel, you just push them in and lock. I'm on battery power, so I can turn the water pump on. Water pump's on. I got full tanks. And empty gray, black tanks. Actually, I'll be emptying those out tomorrow morning when I take off. Couch/bed. Yes, I do fit, barely. If I was a half an inch taller, I would not fit. Stereo sounds great, lulls me to sleep. The windows have night shade. They also have day shade, so people can't see in during the day, and no shade. And then you can open them. You got a screen. I don't know how effective it is against mosquitoes. And then you have the exhaust fan up here that keeps the air circulating the trailer. Lots of these cabinets around. I got a few clothes stuck up in there. This is called the attic. This is my attic. And down there is my basement. It goes down below the trailer. There's my nightstand. Really cool. Went out and bought some pillows. You can see the campground is really jumping. And here is a view from the other side. Doesn't take very long to tour. Oh, I forgot to show you a little pantry, of course. And there's a hidden compartment under here, and the battery bank is in here. I got all kinds of batteries, I can't tell you, but there's a lot of them. Oh, and then, voila. And, no, I can sit in the shower and take a shower. I can sit in the bath and take a shower. Using the restroom is no problem. I do have to bend over a little bit if I stand up and shower. Being a Phenom pilot, that's not a problem. Used to bending over. More ways than one, probably. Alright. Shut this. Oh yeah, the closet. Got a fire extinguisher. There's the closet with light. It's pretty spacious too. Needs a woman's touch for organization, I think. I have a trash can. There's the owner's manual. And that's it. Real quick and dirty. Not very detailed, but that's my little home. And I'm starting to really dig it a lot. I love it. I love that it's self-contained too. Alright, love you guys. Talk to you soon. Hopefully this thing will see a bunch of places across the US and maybe Canada. Okay, love y'all. Bye-bye.